The first step when changing batteries is to download the door profile through the PPD menu. Once this is completed, we can then grab our padlock and place it on a surface between two edges. Or you can place it between your knees. By twisting the knob, we expose 4 screws that use a T20 screwdriver to remove. We can now remove the cover that shrouds the cylinder. For this task, we will require the Salto Neoxx installation tool, which we insert via the 90 degrees of the cylinder, and we utilize the knob to rotate. Underneath, we will find 4 LR1 batteries that we can then replace. We then insert our tool back again underneath on a slight angle, place the cover, and use the knob once again to rotate, noting that we should not be using the tool, but we use the knob to apply the rotating force. We can then reinsert the cover, retighten the screws. Now we can update the lock with the latest time and date, and then we can bring the PPD back to the software so that we can get the latest battery status back into the system.